In this lecture, we will talk about one of the least commonly used mates in SolidWorks, which is lock. We will not be creating any specific assembly using this relation. However, we are going to show what it does using certain parts. So let's go ahead and start a new assembly. I'm going to insert two components. So this is one, and then I'm going to insert the wing as the second component, and then I'm going to create another wing. So I'm going to press and hold Control, click on this wing, drag and drop another wing. Now I'm going to mate, and then I'm going to select the two wings, and in the standard mates I'm going to select lock. And what locks do is it lock the two components together. So let's go ahead and choose lock and then click OK. Now whatever happens to one part also happens to the other. So if I click and drag one part, you're going to notice that the other part moves around with it as well. What if I go ahead and rotate components? So if I rotate this part, you will notice the other parts rotate with it as well. And that is the mate lock. It basically locks two components together, so whatever happens to one component also happen to the other one. If you want to fix a part in place, you can simply lock it to the fixed base part we have in the assembly. So if we want to fix those two wings in any place, let's say we want to fix them like this, we can go to mate and then select this wing and select the fixed base we have, and then go to mate and select lock and then click OK. Now you'll notice that I cannot move any of the two wings because they are locked to the fixed red base we have. And if you look at the design tree, you will notice that both of the wings do not have a minus sign next to them, which means they are fully defined in place because of the mates we applied to them. In this case, it was the lock mate.